Today we're going to bring an Oculus Quest 2 charger. Now this is a little neat one. It has a docking station that you have to do it sideways. It's perfectly for those that they would need to be setting up a little station for it instead of, always forgetting to charge it. You just dock it in there. Now, just to let you guys know, the vendor was kind of enough to send this out for us for review. So let's take a look at it and see what you get when you get something like this. All right. You guys notice they give you the actual cable itself, all right? And they give you the charging station. This charging station is a type C connection, and that's where it fits in perfectly fine. So we're gonna set it up and see if how well it fits. So let's go ahead and do that. So first of all, you got your actual power cord, and it's a type C to type A, okay? So you could charge it up in any kind of station. Just make sure you have the right voltage, right? So let's go ahead and do that. All right, let's take a look at the actual station itself. It does have some little footing. It's rubber end, so it won't slip off. Now, if you guys notice, I do have the HCCP Vibe connection to the actual system of the Oculus. It's because I have my speakers and my headsets, and it's something, and I was just noticing it does fit even with this system itself. So plenty of room, plenty of space, and it docks in perfectly. And like I said, you just have to plug it in from here in the back and just keep it plugged. So I'm very impressed that it even docks into even having this setup. And you guys notice these are actually a little bit more bulky, but they actually fit very good, and it's picking up very easy to use. If you guys notice, look how well they're docking. Now I'm just gonna undock it so you guys can see it, how easy it was. All right, so there's plenty of space in there, and plenty of space, so it just locks in and it locks in automatically, and you're able to charge your system itself. Now, one thing I just had to do, you do have to unfortunately you can't have it connected to the audio because it interferes, so you're gonna have to disconnect that part. And if that's the only case, I had no issues with it, and I could just dock it in perfectly. Easy to dock in. So that's one thing I did like about it. So it's compatible even with this feature, which is a little bit difficult because this was a little bulkier. Not a lot of chargers fit in with this. So it's something I'm going to keep, and I'm going to keep using it for my actually Oculus 2 Quest 2. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe